Hey guys, this is Mr. Sal. We're going to look at a couple division problems on this one. So thanks for watching. Let's get started. Now on this one, it's pretty nice. We've got 800 divided by 20. And the nice thing about this one, since it's division, is we can just cancel out those zeros. Now that's not a phantom 1. It literally makes this 80 divided by 2. Now some of you guys can do that in your head. However, if you can't, we should use long division on this one. So how many times does 2 go into 8? 2, 4, 6, 8. And that's 4 times. 4 times 2 is 8. In the tens position, let's subtract that out. We get 0. So then in the next place value, the ones place value, how many times does 2 go into 0? Well, 0 times. And that would give us 40. So as it turns out, the answer to this one, from the beginning, whether you did 800 divided by 20 or 80 divided by 2, it is 40. Alright, the next one we're going to do is a little bit more complicated, and it's kind of what we're used to though, is we're going to take this 16,288 and divide that by 6. Now some of you guys, again, you could probably do that in your head, but let's go ahead and show this using long division. And I'm going to give myself some space between the place values so that I can work between them. So I start, how many times does 6 go into 1? 0 times. So I'm going to look at that as 16 now. How many times does 6 go into 16? I get it twice. And 2 times 16 is 12. Now we're going to subtract those and we get 4. Now 6 won't go into 4, but if we drop the 2, it will go into 42. 6 will go into 42 exactly 7 times. So 7 times 6 is 42. And when we subtract that, we get 0. So the next step is to drop the 8, and then we see how many times 6 goes into 8, which is once. So 1 times 6 is 6, and when I subtract that, I get 2, but 6 won't go into 2 because it's too small. But it will go into 28, and it will go into 28 4 times. Now, from here, 6 times 4 is 24. So when I subtract this, I get 4 remaining. So the final answer there would be that 2,714, but we still had a remainder of 4. If they wanted us to show a mixed number, which they may, 2,714 with 4 remaining out of 6 parts. In fact, this can be simplified, meaning the fraction part of this mixed number. The 4 and the 6 could be simplified by a factor of 2. So we still got that 2,714, but simplified, that'd be 2/3 on that part. So I would say either one of these two would be the answer that we want. Alright, thanks for watching on this one, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope it helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and make a comment below. We'll see you guys in the next one.